Hey, this is Jared, occupational therapist, and this is a 9-month follow-up review of this lift chair. This chair I actually put together for a client, and it actually is doing an exceptionally good job for her. The material has stayed up really well. There are no rips or tears. The lift chair function still works extremely well. The motor on it works just fine. I was really surprised at the quality of the chair when it arrived and how easy it was to put together, and she is having a really easy time using this. It does do a really good job of extending all the way up, which makes it easier to stand. And it also does lift up the legs so that way it can help with swelling of the legs and elevation. So this is definitely a chair that I recommend for my clients because it has done a really good job at assisting her with transferring and also helping with keeping her legs up, which helps with her swelling. So I would definitely recommend this for others, and I am very impressed with this chair. I hope you guys take a look at it.